How to turn on screen time breaks on your TikTok account. Hello guys, today I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video till the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this video. So let's start. First you will just go to your TikTok and open it, and then when you open your TikTok you will just go down here on your profile. Open your profile like this, and then when your profile is open, and you will just go up at the top of the screen, this three line here, and you click, and then you go to settings and privacy. After this, on settings and privacy, you will just go to screen time, click on it, and go now to screen time breaks and click here. Then you turn on by clicking like 10 minutes, 20 or 30, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.